Hey, I've got 488 ready today. This is an Alto ukulele. It's spruce and maple. And one of the coolest parts about it is the beautiful bird's eye maple back and sides. This is maple that Ken from the Carpenter Ant Stash had cut to make ukes, and he just never did. Not with this pile at least. But I was happy to put it to use. Beautiful Bearclaw spruce top. It's got an Oregon spruce neck with a maple stripe and then maple fretboard head plate and bridge. This maple up here is from my workbench. It's the same maple as my workbench. Now, Ginger wanted an alto uke that was plenty loud, so spruce and maple does that. And then she wanted it symmetrical, which was the design to look symmetrical. And then I convinced her to let me lean in on the blonde amber look, which I did. But if you're going to do that, you have to offer some small levels of contrast. Or else it just looks like mush. So these little black lines everywhere. Sometimes you don't even think you see them from far away, but your eye does it. And the black dots here and black tuner knobs. Those little flashes of a contrast really help. The binding is curly maple. And yeah, it turned out great. I mean, it's loud, but it's sweet, it's got good sustain. I think she'll be real happy with it, and it's really easy to play. It feels good and balanced too. So this is 488, bird's eye maple, spruce, alto uke for Ginger. Cheers.